Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Catalyst Media Design. They're looking for a digital media coordinator. It pays up to $30 per hour. We are looking for an experienced digital media coordinator to develop, launch, and maintain effective digital media campaigns for multiple Catalyst Media Design clients from 10/1/22, 12/31/22. This individual will be responsible for executing paid digital ads across multiple platforms, which may include display, video, audio, social, email, and search, and should be proficient in digital advertising with the ability to make optimization recommendations for best use of this media in support of client objectives. This is an hourly, part-time position with 20 minutes 25 anticipated hours per week for the period October-December 2022. A successful digital media coordinator combines a skilled eye for detail and high level of motivation to complete projects on time and on specification. Responsibilities: build and execute digital media campaigns based off of client-approved media plan. Use analytics and other tools to develop monthly reports. Analyze digital metrics and develop actionable feedback to continue achieving client campaigns' digital media goals. Identify new opportunities to drive results and improve performance. Stay up to date with current technologies and trends in digital media, design tools, and technologies. Requirements: proven work experience in digital media marketing, including the setup and execution of paid advertising on behalf of multiple clients or brands. Proficient in Google and other paid digital media platforms. Strong data entry skills with ability to use Word and Excel at an intermediate or above level. Excellent communication skills. Proficient in digital media reporting and analytics, including accessing reporting data out of Google Analytics, the Facebook platform, etc. Resourceful, well-organized, highly dependable, efficient, and detail-oriented. Able to manage and execute multiple projects. Responsibilities: work with the internal team to develop, execute, and measure innovative digital media plans. Direct the implementation of a wide range of content forms, which may include video, text, still imagery, animation, live action, and other forms that best utilize the technology available on any given social media digital platform. Plan and manage campaign executions on time, on budget, and to scope. The requirements listed are representative of the knowledge, skill, and/or ability required. Reasonable accommodations may be made to enable individuals with disabilities to perform the essential functions. This job description in no way constitutes or implies a contract of employment and is subject to change with or without notice as the company deems necessary. Job types: part-time, temporary. Pay up to $30 per hour. Benefits: flexible schedule, self-determined schedule. Experience: digital media, 1 year preferred. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.